Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Beaulac-Garthby is a small municipality in the Chaudiere Appalaches region of southern Quebec, located along the shores of Lac Aylmer near the border of the eastern townships. The municipality has a population of roughly 1,000 people and is known for its lakeside scenery, forests, hills, and outdoor recreation. The community is surrounded by natural landscapes that attract visitors interested in boating, fishing, camping, and seasonal tourism throughout the year. The history of the area dates back to the 19th century when settlers arrived in the region during the expansion of farming and forestry across southern Quebec. Early settlement was influenced by loyalists and immigrants from the United States and Britain who moved north following the American Revolution. Because of this history, parts of the region developed differently from older French settlements along the St. Lawrence River. English-speaking communities played an important role in the early development of the surrounding townships and villages. Lac Aylmer has always been one of the defining natural features of Beaulac-Garthby. The lake stretches across a large section of the region and supports boating, fishing, kayaking, and waterfront recreation during the warmer months. Cottage development increased steadily during the 20th century as more people were drawn to the lake's scenery and outdoor lifestyle. Today, seasonal tourism connected to the lake remains an important part of the local economy. Forestry and agriculture helped shape the community during its early years. Large forests surrounding the area supported logging operations and sawmills throughout the 19th and 20th centuries, while farms developed across cleared sections of land near the waterways. Rural roads, wooded hills, and open farmland continue to define much of the landscape around Beaulac-Garthby today. The combination of forestry, farming, and recreation remains closely connected to the municipality's identity. Transportation routes were also important to the development of the area. Roads connecting smaller communities throughout southern Quebec helped support trade, travel, and settlement growth over generations. Although the municipality remains small compared with larger urban centers, its location near lakes and natural attractions has continued to draw seasonal residents and visitors interested in outdoor recreation and waterfront living. Nature plays a major role in daily life throughout Beaulac-Garthby and the surrounding region. Summers bring boating, swimming, cycling, and hiking activities, while autumn transforms the forest with colorful foliage common throughout southern Quebec. Winter supports snowmobiling, ice fishing, skiing, and snowshoeing across the nearby countryside. The changing seasons strongly influence the atmosphere and economy of the area throughout the year. The municipality also reflects the cultural mix found throughout many parts of southern Quebec. Historic churches, older homes, and place names throughout the region reflect both English and French influences connected to early settlement history. Over time, French became the dominant language across much of the area, although traces of English-speaking heritage remain visible in local history and community names. Nearby regional centers, such as Thetford Mines and Sherbrooke, provide services, employment, and commercial connections for smaller communities throughout the region. At the same time, municipalities such as Beaulac-Garthby maintain their own local identity connected to nature, recreation, and rural heritage. Visitors passing through the area experience landscapes shaped by lakes, forests, and generations of settlement in southern Quebec. Today, Beaulac-Garthby remains closely connected to Lac Aylmer and the natural scenery that defines this part of Quebec. Waterfront recreation, seasonal tourism, forestry traditions, and rural landscapes continue to influence the municipality's character. The community reflects the slower pace and outdoor lifestyle associated with many lakeside areas throughout southern Quebec, while preserving its connection to the region's history and natural environment.